quick automotive diagnostics here. Um, Today we have a Hyundai. It's a Hyundai, I think it's Elantra, and this Hyundai has a good story behind it. So this is a Sonata, whatever, Sonata. Now, the problem with this Hyundai is it does not start. Okay, I just popped the hood there. So it has two keys, and let's see what's going on here. Now, the story behind this Hyundai is that the vehicle apparently was in Saskatchewan, which is our next province from where I am right now in Manitoba. So he suddenly he didn't wanna stop. He didn't wanna start. So the customer, according to the information they gave me, they said they took it to a local shop there in Saskatchewan. That's I think, I don't know the town, but they said the local shop looked at it, and what they did, they replaced the starter. And after they replaced the starter with a brand new one, and the vehicle didn't start. So they remove the brand new starter that they install, and then they reinstall the original starter back on, so that apparently to save customer money. So I don't know really how I'm gonna diagnose this, because it's been to, I could say, two shops. So it's been in Saskatchewan to a local shop, and they did not fix it. It was towed back to Manitoba where the owner is, and he went to the owner's shop. So apparently the shop that looked at it, they couldn't figure out what's going on. So that's why I end up with me here, and now I have to diagnose it, I guess, for them, and see what in thunder is going on here. So first thing first, we're gonna just, stay basic this time. So I'm gonna apply all the basics, and we're gonna see if we can actually come to a good path, because this is a kind of like a challenging failure. Okay, now I have two keys here. So let's confirm customer complaint. So this is a push button style. Actually has a command start. Sorry about my voice, I just finished eating. Yeah, so let's try to start it. Of course, foot on the pedal, and then push. Nothing. Now, what's interesting, I can see the key thing right there. The vehicle immobilized, but I don't know. So, really, press. You should start. Nothing, folks. So let's see if we have any trouble code. Oh, horn works. Lights. We got all the lights. Everything works. Radio. Oops. Dummy. Key on. The radio should be able to work. Accessory. On. And oops. Off. And if I step on the brakes and then nothing. Now I hear just a little click at front there, and I believe that's the reason why they replaced the starter. But they changed the starter and the starter did not, like, still the same thing, like engine can't crank. Alright, so we just fire up this little guy here. So let's jump in here and see what we got. Hyundai, where are you here? Asian. Hey guys, if you know how to do like, I don't know how they say, I want to be able to get this screen in the camera so that you can see it, but I don't know how to do that. I'm not a computer tech. If you know how, you know, I'll appreciate if you teach me how. Okay, so here we're gonna identify the vehicle. Automatic search. That's the US. Okay. That's the VIN. So we can do a health report very quickly and see how it goes. Oops. What is going on? There's nothing in the engine. Nothing in transmission. ABS 2 faults. That's very interesting. Well, to my experience, guys, every time I see no fault code in engine module, that kinda make me shiver. Oh, scary. So why there is no fault code in the engine and the engine won't even crank? Like, what's going on here? Oh man, that sucks. Okay, look at this. We are 80% and really nothing at all, no fault code. Every module, this one is not equipped, this one equipped, no fault code. Okay, are you kidding me? So we have two fault code. Could this one cause the vehicle not to start? We have a steering angle sensor socket signal, which is a present fault code, and then we have MDPS, a signal error. This one is going to be related to the steering control motor. I don't know the description for this. Let's see with Google what it says. Oh, shit. Nothing there. Yeah. What's the description? Like, sometime Launch won't give you more description. So what is the MDPS? Let's guess. Motor. Something motor probably. Drive, something maybe. And then power steering. I'm a dummy. Okay, so, well, I see some flicking going on here. Is that normal? Okay, let's try again. Press that button with a key. Okay, I'll do that. No worries. With this. What in thunder is going on here? Nothing, folks. Nothing. I mean, the vehicle has only 123 kilometers. Okay, enough says. Let's go check out. Let's do basics. Basics, that's what I'm gonna stand with. Okay? Okay, basics means we have a fuse box here, and we have starter relay right there. How about that? Let's go to the starter relay. How is it here? That's how it is. Okay. So starter relay is gonna be this brownie guy. What's up, brownie? Are you causing issue here? Okay, I don't have a tripod, so but let's do some checks here. Okay. Okay, I have a kit here from. You can see the name. I'm not a sponsor, and I don't have any sponsor. So whatever it is, that's how it is. So guys, these relay testers, they're a little bit. They can actually, give you a hard time if you don't know how to identify them. The rule of thumb is these two together, they're actually the controllers. Okay, and this one is a terminal 30, and this one is 87, and this one is terminal 87A, so where the pin rests, basically the middle one. So let's shove this one in here if we can. Can you get in there? Oh, you dummy, putting it in wrong. No, I'm not. I think it goes in like that. Okay. Now, no chance of falling. I got a big amp. This one I think is 2.5 amp bulb in here. Oh shit, looks like it's actually burnt out. Oh man. Oh man. Let's try it. It's burnt out, folks. That's not good. Yeah, it's a burnt out. Okay, let me replace this bulb and I'll be back. Okay, I got the bulb here, and let me try if it's working, if it's not burn out. Let's try this. Yeah, she's good. Yeah, that bulb is good. So now what I wanna do is I wanna connect one side on a ground here. Sorry, you can't see crap. Okay. Oh fuck. Get in there. Okay, so as I said, this should be terminal 30, should be hot all the time. Yes, it is. And this one is 87. So let's see if we put our relay in here like this, like so. So this is 87. So we're gonna see if actually the computer is sending power to the damn starter. Okay, if it does, then we're gonna take a different path right now. Okay, let's see from there. Okay, how are you gonna be able to see? Let me put this one somehow on top here so that we can see it from the cab, in the cab, maybe. I don't know. I don't know, folks. Hold on, hang on. Okay. That's good. That's good. Let's turn this guy off. Now, in here, I'm gonna try to start this guy now. Okay, can we see that bulb? Okay, I guess we can see it. Let's both of us stay together, folks, and let's try this. Okay, this key works. Maybe the other one. Yeah, that one works. So let's try and let's see. Okay, accessory on. Okay, I don't know what the heck is going on with the flicking. So I press my foot there. Okay, and let's crank it. Oh, guess what? We got power there. Holy smoke. And now I staying on for a little while. Okay. So this vehicle actually should crank. So what's going on, Saskatchewan? What happened? Did you do this test? Huh. Okay. I mean, that tells me a lot. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to the starter right there. Let's see if they actually change the starter, because these guys, if they did this test, it's pretty much easier to pinpoint the problem, because if they had a new starter, saying they put a new starter there, they should have get it going, I guess. So let's go to that starter and check it out. Starter is out. We're gonna try and see if actually we are getting control up to the wire here. Let me shine the light here. So I'm connected to the S terminal here that goes to the starter, and that plugs on a starter over here. But I see some corrosion on the starter. Sorry for that. Let me put it in. Okay, so I see some corrosion here, but we will see if actually this corrosion could be the main cause of the no start. But pretty small start, eh? Unbelievable. So we're gonna have to check if we get actually control up to here, up to this connector. Install my bulb, it's connected to ground, put the wire there. So I'm gonna rest you guys here to watch the bulb. Okay, let's see if it's... Well, folks, I didn't see the light lighting up. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna test the starter itself and see if the starter itself works. Okay, very easy to test. Starter connect to the battery ground here, and let me grab my wire here, try to connect it to battery positive. Oops. I need a 10 millimeter here. Let's see. Come on. I'm not sure if I'm actually... No, I'm not connected. Oh, I am. Okay. Perfect. Alright, so I'm connected to battery positive, and then let's hold this one here. Let's go to the... Well, we can go here. Got nothing. That's very interesting. The starter does not work. Well, sometimes I'm a big dummy. Okay, so now I'm connected to the S terminal here, and then connected to ground over here. So when I crank it, this light should light up to give signal to the S terminal to close the contact. Okay. The reason why it didn't work because I forgot to put a relay in there. That's how dummy I can be. So now I'll let you watch that light, and then I'm gonna crank it. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it works. So 100% a starter, and no doubt about it. And well, diagnosis is complete. We need a starter. There's no point of, chasing somewhere else. But one thing I feel sorry is about this shop. Actually, two shops. Saskatchewan shop. Apparently they say they put a new starter in there, but I don't see the way it looks like. I don't see any sign of, bolt being removed or starter being removed. Everything looks like really corroded and old. So what I'm thinking is just liars. People are lying. Some mechanics, some shop, they lie and they say they did this, and then just to grab customer money. Yeah, the world we are living in now is just all about money. Nobody care about helping a fellow, like helping each other. Like we all struggle about money, but come on, things like this, you can't just lie and then walk away with some cash without, helping a customer or lead them in a good direction. That's my point of view, and I feel bad for this customer, but the vehicle has been in a tool shop and nobody figured out just this simple test. Like, come on. Very, very simple. Yeah. So now we're gonna call the customer. We're gonna tell him about I don't know what's going on here. Something is clicking. I left the ignition on. Yeah, I did. Big dummy. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna call the customer and tell him about this starter. This is a kind of new style of a starter. As you can see, it's a very small starter, and all you have inside there is planetary gears, like those gear reduction. Small but powerful. That's what I can tell you. Yeah, so I guess we could tear this down and see what's in there. I'm kind of interested. Shall we? All right, let's see. All right. So I disassembled this starter, and what I found is so amazing. The wires that goes to the brush, they actually broken, and they were both sides. They are broken. If you can see those wire, both of them, they are broken. Let me see if you can see. Can you see what I see? Okay, here, right here, it's broken right there, broken off from this terminal. So basically the power was coming in and no way to go. Where can I go? Nowhere. Well, customer brought brand new starter, and Remy, not a sponsor. So we're gonna put this baby in there, and then we're gonna see if it's gonna crank this motor. This is it's a little bit tricky the way it's mounted. You have to be patient, and I don't think I will show you this on a camera because I need both hands and only have one for the camera and one for doing things. So I'm gonna put this one in and then we will see after it's installed. Stay right there, okay? Okay, starter has been installed. What am I missing here? Oh yeah, I still need to connect the throttle body. So I'm gonna try to connect that guy here. Yeah, it's not easy, but the starter is way down, you know, just behind this intake manifold. I don't know if you can see. Let me try to hang on. Let me do this. Maybe you can be able to see down there. See, shiny down there. So that's the starter. Anyways, starter is installed. Let's install our battery. Before we do that, let's take this out of the way. Okay, just to be safe, put it there. Of course, we check the oil is good. I don't want to miss anything here. Try to think twice. Everything is connected. So yeah, I'm gonna just connect the positive terminal here. Okay. And good. And now we should be able to take this out of the way. Put here. That can stay. Okay. Let's do this. Cross our fingers. Make sure you don't forget the keys. All right. Now. Stinging here. Let's see if she's gonna crank. Okay. Oh, it's a crank, but I think the battery needs more juice. Oops. Okay. We need more juice. So the battery doesn't have enough power. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install this guy here. Sorry for a shake. At least we know our starter is good, so it actually crank it. So now let's give it some O2 here, some juice, and keep you guys here for a second. Now plug it in. Just plug in the power. Um, give it 20 amp standard. Let's give it a little bit of a charge hit there. 20 amp, so it should be able to start it, I guess. Okay, let's give it a little bit of a charge, like for a couple minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay folks, the vehicle just started, saying the key's not here, key's not detected, whatever, now it's detected. Okay, so there we have it. It's starting, it's running, and it's all good. Okay, we're gonna let it charge for a little bit, and okay, viewers, thanks for watching. So that's what we do, and the vehicle is started and everything's good, so customer is here to pick it up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you know what, viewers, the other video is coming soon, so see you next time. Bye bye.